How to fix messages are missing sync now on Messenger. To fix this issue, make sure to watch the video till the end so that at the end of the video, you will get the solution for your issue. So first of all, just open Messenger app. Before that, don't forget to update your Messenger application so that you might fix or you'll be able to fix some of the issues relating to Messenger app. Now, once you open it and sign into your account, tap on three-line icon at the top left corner of the screen. And on this panel, select the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you reach on this section, scroll down and under Preferences, select Privacy and Safety, and then select End-to-End Encrypted Chats under Security. Once done, select Message Storage, and here you will see the option to save key in Google Drive. Just make sure to toggle on this button, and you have to continue with Google to set up a way to access your chat history. So once you select your Google account and then follow the honest run prompts, you will be able to save all your messages and sync your messages on Messenger. I hope this video worked and was helpful for you. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.